Okay, so I'm going to be showing how to import an ASF project or any studio project into MPLAB X. So let's just create a new ASF project quickly. 324PB is the device that I have, and I'm just going to select the first option here, which is the LED example, and basically turn on a LED when I push the button on this kit. So you can see my tool configuration. I have basically an AVR ICE connected through the JTAG connector on the 324PB. So I'm going to select the AVR ICE and JTAG, and now I should simply be able to run the project. And just to show you what's happening in main while it programs, is that we basically get the button state and then turn on an AVR LED. And you can see that now as I push the button, the LED flashes. Okay, so we can open the project directory here, open folder in File Explorer, and now let's go to MPLAB X, and we're going to say File, Import, AVR Studio Project, and I can just take this directory, paste it in here, and as we browse, we are directly in that directory, and we can create the project. AVR ICE, next select the AVR toolchain, which it picks up from the studio installation. Now, interesting thing to note is that the source files are not copied, they are rather referenced in the original project directory. So it's best to just leave this as the default directory, and then the MPLAB X projects will be created there. So as we finish with that, and here's our example and source files. So just to show you how these source files are related, if I just change something here, like for instance putting a couple of spaces, I come back to Studio, it tells me the project has changed, and I can see that any changes, so they reference back. Okay, so now I'm in MPLAB X, and let's debug this project, and select AVR ICE, okay. So it's running as it was before, and the way I can check that is I can reset. I can see we're sitting there in main. Obviously nothing is working now, but if I run the project, we can see we have the same functionality working as before in AVR Studio.